Greetings everyone, welcome back, and as you can see the car is in the paint booth. So today we're going to look at some under bonnet painting that's been done and a bunch of other good things. Let's get into it. So here we're looking at Steve is just on the painting under the bonnet, and Steve, just what do you have to do? You have to re-prime it again.
Yep, sand it, 2-pack primer, then base sand it, base coat it, clear coat it.
Looks great, Steve. Really good. So it was all those tools that were sitting around on the thing, wasn't it? And what do we got here, Tim?
Our headers are back from HPC coating, so we'll look quite nice and shiny against the blue there.
They are going to look nice and shiny. Yeah, and that's 2-pack. So that's inside and out, eh?
Yep. Yep. So that as well as looking shiny, HPC's a great heat insulator as well. So that'll get a bit of heat out of the engine bay, which has a performance improvement, but also reduces the chance of burning ourselves or melting wiring or starter motors.
Yes. Yeah, that's going on really good. What do you reckon, Big J?
I've been waiting for it to go into the. I see that driveway skid.
Yeah, no, that's looking really good. Yeah, that's looking, and the covers, boys, maybe here soon too. Okay, so those cables, yeah, they attach to the back of the airbox, right?
That's right.
So they'll tidy all that up. Yeah, which should be great. Yeah, that's fantastic. Very nice. Really good. And that's not even cut and polished yet. Excellent. Very clean. Very, very clean. Centralised, and Tim's done a little cunning thing there so the exhaust can come through. So that's nice and central now, Tim?
Yeah.
Yep. In the right spot. Okay.
These guys should do it.
Hey, well Tim, what do you got here, mate?
So we've
It's so shiny.
Slightly a bit more metallic than factory, and yeah, nicely cleaned up. Rocker cover to go back on top of the.
Should we see it? What's that going to look like? Whoa. That's
Like that.
pretty shiny, and here's the person, Joel.
Responsible.
What did you do?
Blame.
What did you do there?
Nothing much, to be honest. It was in pretty good shape to start with. I just took some of the casting marks off and yeah, gave it a decent sandblast, and then it's had a ceramic base coat put on, and then some Durapox coarse silver, and then another Durapox clear. So I reckon you could hit that with a hammer and probably with a chip. Tried to get as close as I could to this decal strip so that things sort of line up, and it's not too bad actually.
It's not too bad at all.
Yeah.
And similar colour to the XJR, which watchers will see soon. Yeah, that looks great. And Jay, I was thinking that we'll clean up before we run it. Clean up these inlets here too,
Yeah,
eh? And then we'll get that we'll clean up those with an oxide something. And then well, another review. We've got a box.
It's tiny, yeah, right?
Oh, there's a bolt in it, that's why it is. Oh, that's what I got in there, yeah.
And there's a pipe to sneak in the bottom as well, just to be fun as you
Oh,
go.
I see.
along
Yeah, you're
the
right. That thing, that one down there. All right,
Yes.
choice. It's pretty,
Yeah, that looks a whole lot better, Joe.
yeah, looks like that.
Yeah, we're just waiting for a gasket to throw that on. And woohoo! Here's a. Oh, gee, that looks pretty darn shiny too. Kind of looks like a tappet cover from some old school car.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. It's in real good shape.
All right. And there's something else to go with that too, I'm imagining.
There is. So this, I haven't polished it yet, but this just got a light aluminium oxide sandblast to mask everything off, just to get all the yuck off. I imagine that must go there.
Oh, he's got a pipe.
Yeah, you've got a custom thing.
Tim's got something to go with that, I'm thinking.
This guy which we kept black, just to offset, and I've got the gasket as well.
Gasket there. So then I'll throw the pipe out of the car.
Oh yeah, and then so I should check this gasket.
So, boys are looking at the stock Chevette, which is looking great in the sun. So this gives everyone an idea of just how much work's been done on, as you can see, all that stuff there where the battery box and everything was. It's sort of difficult to see how much stuff was back there. And Tim, tell us about this, mate. What do we got here?
So this is an aftermarket radiator, full aluminium and thick core for an RX2. We've trimmed the side mounting brackets and made it so it adapts nicely into the chassis rails for the Chevette. So yeah, we just wanted to make sure cooling system was never an issue on this car. So the bigger the radiator, the better. It's far easier to blank them off and keep them warm than it is to try and cool them down if they start overheating. So yeah, we've just got the protective cardboard and tape on it. So we'll clean that off because we're ready for a final fitment on the radiator. So bit of cleaning work, but even then we'll basically come up like new.
Yeah, awesome.
If we want to do something more like, where do we put the pinstripe inboard of the bolt holes and have a smaller strip, or do you want to go black? The whole,
I was
thing,
thinking-
the whole thing black would be
I was
good.
thinking the whole thing black and then the penny sort of going up. Oh, you got the bolt holes there.
bolt
haven't
holes. So yeah, you know what I'm saying.
And do you want a measurement of those? I think
That was 6 mil, eh? Yeah, something like that. And then I guess we'll just do. That one I'll skip, eh? Or do I want to go around there? I'll probably do.
Yeah.
You want to go around there?
The cap actually sits sort of sitting over the top of it.
Oh, then it probably doesn't need to be there.
Put the cap on.
Sits in there.